Hey gang, here's a stock I've been tracking for a few weeks on this pullback from a handle, and pretty interesting chart setup. I want to drill down a little bit on it. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now, the reason I like this stock so much, and again, when I say I like something, just keep in mind it's all based on cycles. Now, the cycles may not line up exactly what we want in the short term. It may take a longer term on the trend line set, but just based on current price action, why I like this, we had about a 1.5 BMI breakout. This ended up right back near that IPO high back here. Zeeker makes electric cars. The fact we had a cycle set here so quickly after that IPO high, right up near that original IPO high, tells me this is a great potential stock if we can get a reasonable handle on a pullback. This is a little steeper than I like, but right now we have a TSS set right there. I'll show you, I'll drill down on the smaller time frames too, but got a 1.5 BMI breakout, TM3 set up here, again back near that IPO high. Got a price squeeze down here off the TD9 TM2 cycles. Now let's draw it a little bit on the 2-hour time frame. We had a this move back into the gutter, the CCI gutter. Whenever we get a 2-hour chart pulling back into the plus minus 0, usually plus minus 30, we're right there. At that point, we got a 10-bar high breakout. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 10-bar high breakout. Wick through that. We get a TB2 cycle on a pullback. 2236 area right there, and we may possibly get that tomorrow. If not, we're going to take it one more wave, possibly gap fill, but this is definitely something to watch there. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, if you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you could find our club lingo at bigkahnatradingclub.club/lingo. We had a Bermuda Triangle set up on that technical setup, and that resolved down here at about 2095. Got a breakout of a 10-bar high there. Came back, filled some of that gap. So this is key right now. We get a breakout of the 150 MA. Let me pull a trend line down there. So if we get a breakout of that, we take out and hold the 200 MA. We're going to probably be in pretty good shape. So because of the depth of the pullback on the higher time frame, daily time frame, I would not be surprised if we get a TM1 cycle before we get a resolution up here. Now if we don't get that, if we get a quick pop here and a sharp spike up here, we're going to resolve it probably sooner than a TM1. TM1 is a 1.5 month cycle, so we'll be watching it pretty closely in that area. But right now it looks pretty good, and we just want to see the technical breakout of the highs right there. And again, be watching it closely. You can check back in with us later and see how this resolves, but right now we got a pretty close eye on that Zeeker Intelligent Technology. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.